Last week, I made a video comparing Art to RawTherapee and Darktable. And while working on that video, I realized that installing Art on Linux is not straightforward. So if you are planning on installing Art on your system, stick around. Art is available on OpenSUSE and Arch Linux. So I didn't try it on OpenSUSE, but on my main computer, I've installed it from the AUR and it's working perfectly. But when I tried to install it on my Linux Mint virtual machine, I ran into issues, so let's have a look. If you want to install it on Linux Mint, the easiest solution is to install it as a Flatpak. But keep in mind that some feature will not work, but I will explain later. Now, to install it as a Flatpak, open your software manager, go to Preferences, and make sure that Unverified Flatpak is enabled. The problem now is if you type Art into the search bar, you won't find anything. But the workaround is to type pixls. Alternatively, you can also open your terminal and type Flatpak install pixls and follow the instruction to install Art. Now, there is another issue. The user command and the CTL script will not work when Art is installed as a Flatpak. So as I explained in the last video, these are Art's most powerful features, so I really want them working on my systems. I've tried to put the CTL script in different folders. I've also played with Flatsail, but nothing was working. So if someone has a solution, let me know in the comments and I will ping it so the entire world can see it. But in the meantime, here is the solution I found. First, uninstall the Flatpak version of Art. Then go to the Art GitHub page, navigate to the Releases section and download the latest binary. Once downloaded, extract the file. Next, right-click and select Open in Terminal. Type sudo mv, the name of the Art folder, /opt. This will move the binary folder into the opt directory. All the commands I use will be in the video description in case you need them. Next, type cd /opt to navigate into that directory and type ls to confirm the folder is there. Now type /name of the folder /art. Say yes to any prompts and that's it. Art should open, but we are not quite finished yet. So in my virtual machine, Art didn't appear in the start menu, so to fix that, I had to run the script again and reboot the VM. After the reboot, Art was working properly and I was able to import the CTL script and the HDR merge plugin. So that's it for me. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, just give me a like and see you next time.